Sunday morning in Hong Kong. Ngayon tayo pinakamaagang lumabas. Ano?
May pangako ko pinangkunti dun sa
Makita natin ang Hong Kong. Saan tayo pupunta? Macau. 40 to 1 hour, tita. 40 to 1 hour. Saan kayo punta? Okay guys, we're now here at Gate 5 in Sheung-Wan, Macau, in Sheung-Wan, Hong Kong ferry terminal. Papunta kami ng Macau, guys. So we have the whole day to explore Macau. So time check is 8:20. Ang boarding namin is 8:30, and it will take us 40 to 1 hour travel by ferry. Ito na yung mas convenient and mas mabilis. Kasi kasama natin ang mga parentals. And I'm wearing di ganun. I'm wearing my turbine. Naumikot na naman. Ito ang mga parentals with their outfit. Au TD. Bumpy road. Bumpy road. May dala tayong Bonavit. Meron na? Nakabahan ka? Pinakabahan ka? Medyo. Ikaw, Maki? Ikaw? Kaya mo na yun. Talagang ganun. Part yun na experience. Shegadas. Now arriving in Macau. Yes. Aeroporto. Punahan natin. Shegadas. Oh, shegadas. Nagtatawag na siya, oh. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Pati na daw kayo sumakay? Di ba sinabi niya?
Next 15 minutes.
Open the bus to... Woo! Sa taas ah! Open bus tour na nga ito eh. Doon sa likod para hindi tayo mainitan. Ikaw sa loob at magsisigaw-sigaw ako. Open the bus tour! Upo na kayo dyan, si Papa dito. Bahala sila, ayun, paakit. Diyan ka na pa. Diyan ka para nakikita kita. Makabawal ang sumisigaw. Hindi mo masabi ang
Good morning, my friends.
Good morning!
Welcome to Bangkok Bus. Here the stop, Macau Ferry Terminal. Our first stop here. Next stop also, we have stop for you. Any stop you can choose. Hop off the bus. You hop off the bus at same place. Wait for bus again. You have a leaflet. Every stop you can leave and then same place wait for bus again. After 45 or 45, next bus coming. So your ticket, you can hop on bus again.
Ah, yeah.
Here your right hand side.
Right hand side.
The lunch for repair racing car.
Ah, racing track now.
Every November, Macau will put up a friend here. And the lunch for repair racing car only. Because the right hand side here is a star cone of the brand here.
What experience!
And in front of you, a Macau building, out ocean, there's a casino. This stop, Fisherman's Wharf.
Bishop.
There is a theme park inside the beside. Anytime you can own our bus, you control that.
Okay, off-road. Ooh, hello! Hello!
Now left hand side, Fisherman's Wharf. We stop here for you on here, Fisherman's Wharf.
O, ito na.
Stop here, Fisherman's Wharf.
We're here. Two minutes joyride. Ayan, picture. Welcome to us, Macau. Ay, patak ka. Oh, diba? Ito na yun. Doon ka na, pabilis. Doon sa Emperor. Akin na yan. O, dyan na daw. Ay, marami pa dun sa likod maganda. Fisherman's Wharf. Gusto mo dyan? Activating our route. Mabilis. Nakikita po natin sa ating harapan ang magkapatid na nagpipicturan. Oo pa. At si Lito Lapid na gutom. Hindi against the light. Saka likod tayo. Kay Agdigos tayo ga road. Yan. Sige, panindigan mo yan. Ay, hindi yung gano'n. Parang jowa-jowaan. Ay, doon tayo sa dulo. Corner. Sige, panindigan mo yan. Englishin mo siya. Yan. Mag-comment ka na mga beautiful, nice, wow. Ito naman, mga tourist. Yun pala kasi. Yun. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, we're done. We are in Fisherman's Wharf. Maganda rin pala dito. Akala ko hindi ganito. Okay. Okay, let's go. Ayun yung open na yung silo. Ayun na sila, mga person. Hindi mo lang tayo nakapag-picture dito sa Legend Palace Hotel. Ganda guys, in fairness. Parang masarap mag-dinner dito. Ano? By the bay. By the bay, by the seashore. Kasi may mga open ano sila guys. Oh. Al fresco. Yan. Ganda siya. 11. Okay, so we're now walking back to the pickup point. Kung saan kami iniwan ng bus stations. Ayan, let's go. Ito ang pinaka-attraction dito. Ano ba yun? Colosseum. The Colosseum itself. Colosseum. And Marina Bay Sands. Ay, Charlie. Hindi pala yan Marina Bay Sands. Ayan. Ano mga persons? Tayo ay pupunta. Kumain mag-jerky na tayo guys. Kain na tayo ng jerkiness. Macau. First timer in Macauers.
On the right side is our second casino, Sands Casino.
Sands?
House, there's only one casino on the shore. Until our city was handed back and our government start to issue the extra gambling license. That's why nowadays we having so many famous private casinos were open in our city.
Pak, si ate, oh, boobs. Activated out, yara. Ha? Ayaw niya ba? Ano ba dapat? Na iba ang tawa sa Macau. Sa Hong Kong yan. MGM oh, sa'yo no. Mark Gonzalez. Mark Gonzalez Makla. Mark Gonzalez Maldita.
Is a place you can learn a lot of different topic on science through games and also can watch it
ang ganda nitong park
inside the
nila.
cinema. Especially there's a model or space going on from the locals this weekend. Even for people from the south of China, they also love to come over to, spend the weekends here with their family and children. And by the way, outside the museum from this week to the June, we are having a lot of options for you to try the nice coffee.
Siyempre may mag-ibig. Ganda. Andun lang tayo kanina oh. Ano yung mabango mo? Anong kinalo? Bakit? statue. Ayun yung statue.
From after landfill in 1990. That's why you will see quite a lot of modern buildings rather than the old buildings. Even we allow in the old town. And the Punyam statue is on our left. The designer is a Portuguese. Macau before was managed by them over 300 years. That's why this Punyam is very different from the traditional Chinese Buddha and become a good representative to showing you Macau is Western culture. Just look at the language we use in our city. You can see it's mainly in Portuguese.
Wala lang sana to. Ito. Wala na. Ganda
Get
dito.
ready if you want to visit the Punyam statue.
Ayan. Punyam statue. Ganda ng puno nila.
And here is the stop for the Punyam statue.
Punyam statue. Punyam statue.
First casino.
Ang linis,
Bye.
grabe.
The building in front of you is MGM. When you go inside, don't forget to visit the private museum. It's the way you can learn more about the Chinese culture and it's free for the public. Also, same as the Wynn Hotel, they provide the best show in our city. It's called the Lucky Tree Show. That one is spent 20 million to make it. It's very beautiful show. It's also free for entries. And the performance is from 10 to 10 every half an hour, taking place at the lobby of the hotel. And the other side of the Wynn is Starwood Casino, another investment from Hong Kong.
Ganda po.
Nowadays, his boss is already become the trend in our city.
Sasama ba?
Here is a stop for Wynn Hotel. Wynn Hotel.
Star Wars.
And the next one is our central stop in the old town, the most important and popular stop.
Yan.
For you to meet the local culture
Ah,
and
dun
visit
talaga.
our world heritage.
Most
From the
important.
shopping mall New Yonghan for centuries in neoclassical design. And you also can visit our landmark of the city. It's called the Ruins of St. Paul Church and pass under.
Grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ay, tara tayo dito. Ayun na, dito yung open area dyan. Baka mas mapalayo yung tawiran sa kabila dito. Baby is Ito na guys, we're here in Senado Square. Tara dito sa gitna. Bastion. Oh, dito. Tiga. Yes. Ganda. Narito na tayo sa Ari. Hanap tayo ng 7-Eleven. Ay, ang cute oh. May pink balloon. Ay, ang ganda nito. Kung hindi lang sobrang So, diretso lang. San Luis kasi. Parang Quiapo dito. Harap, di ba? Ang bango. Lemoncello. Hmm? Oo. Dito si tita. Yes. Sabi. Exactly. Yeah. Ano to? Goma tofu. Wala naman kasing translation yung number. May narinig ba kayo 69? May narinig kayong 69? Ah. Wala. Ay, 69 ang narinig mo. 69? Ah. Nung lumapit na dito. Pero yung doon yung ganyan wala. Yeah. What is that? We've tried. Ay, maganda mag-picture dun po yung mga tayo isa-isa. Wala namang camera. Meron.
Yeah, we're in Macau.
Magsabi ka na ba? Vlog ko.
Okay, Macau is nice to place to visit.
Lakasan mo ako.
Very nice place to visit again.
Babalik ka ba ba?
We'll go back here with Izanaira.
Multi-strip na tayo.
Here you will see the tallest building in our city, Macau Tower. It's 338 meters high. There's a location for you.
Ganda dito. Merlion. Parang ganito in fairness. Medyo
Kasama sila.
sige lang. Solas Tower ito. Next station. Medyo ina-adapt nila ang signal. Ganda dito mga kabila.
A right-hand side ventilation. It was opened in 2007 to meet all the investment nearby is less than 20 years, and we are now heading to the stop London Hotel. London Hotel. 天桥到这里是London Hotel.
Go father. London near. Ay, hindi. Yung Paris Eiffel Tower. Yan, harap kayo dyan. Ooh. Venetian. Okay, going out. Out. London near hotel. London near hotel. Sabi, piece of art ba to? Okay, pasok dyan sa aircon. And then turn right. Turn right. O, diba? Air condition na. Dami tao. Diretso lang.
The next station is the London Doors
Sa kabila, sa kabila. London near hotel. Go diretso na. London near hotel. Luxury brands dito, tita. Ito na, picture lang tayo dito.
Parang ano yun?
Covered. O, pwesto na tayo dito sa side. Ito, kabilis. Gas jay talaga. Oo, para makaaga tayo makabalik sa Hong Kong. Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas. Oh, lapit kayo pupunta sa akin. Go! Direkto. Okay, okay ko na. Wait lang. Oh, lapit. Papunta sa akin.
Okay, dadra.
Oh, ganun. Umakting. Wow, Saray na-record niya. lagot kayo. Wala siyang coverance. Pero guys, the Parisian. The Parisian. Grabe, ang ganda ng ano nila. Cut ng grass. Oh. Ganda ba yan guys? Fair. Ganda nito oh, parang yung sa Dubai. Sa kabila. Ayun na yung the frame. Yes! Yes, mama! Ganda! My God! My God! So ganda! You ganda! Me ganda! Da da da! Parang ginawa nila to talagang ano. Las Vegas! Las Vegas! Viva Las Vegas! Ganda dito sa likod oh! Sa Galaxy! Akala niya hindi nakahawak. Mama! Puja! Open basta tour on the bridge of Macau. On a very sunny day. Grabe ang air. Ang lamig! Doon no, picture tayo mamaya sa dulo. Paano kaya mag-umuulan? Go overtake. Do you have the pair? The pair. Ano ba to? 8.5. Yes. Seconds na. Go. Ay, ganda. Bukol. Taas mo yung pantalon mo ah. Yan. Masikip hindi. Masikip. Makapal din yung medyas mo eh. Pareho brown tayo tatlo. Gupigtas. Shopping! Shopping! New Balance naman tayo guys. Okay na? Boots ka na dyan?